Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can delete your TikTok account. It's simple, simply start by opening TikTok. Then as you can see it's opened and we are on the home button, so simply go on the menu button. And now that our menu has been opened, so start by clicking this top right corner button, then go on the manage account. And now as you can see beneath it, we have the deleting account button, so now to permanently delete your account simply click on it, and wait for further results. And here are all the instructions you need to know before you delete your account. So click on continue. And now we have where to put in our password to confirm we are going to delete our account, so simply put it in, then confirm it and wait for your account to be deleted. And now as you can see TikTok restarted to a new non-sign up account, so thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.